Hello everyone, my name is Yajun. Today I'm going to introduce an Excel add-ins that I'm interested in, including the features of the add-in, how to use it and how to get it. Excel add-ins are software that add new features into Microsoft Excel. Users using add-ins helps to avoid errors and do repetitious work in minutes that could take hours manually. This picture is Stock Connector. Stock Connector is one of the add-ins that I'm interested in. It lets users link stocks, currencies, crypto, and ETFs to cells in the spreadsheet and updates them in real time. The add-in works in Microsoft Excel 2013, Excel 2016 for Mac and PC, Excel Online, and Excel for iPad. The add-ins is intended for creating a variety of portfolio tracking, spreadsheets, or more complex stock management tools in Excel. The add-ins allows users to choose the location where it inserts the price or the daily change. Then those values are updated automatically throughout the trading day at an interval you specify as quickly as once every 5 seconds. If you're also interested in the add-in, you can get the add-in free from the Excel Stock Connector App Source page. That's all. Thank you.